Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video I am going to teach you how do you talk about the sports that you play. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prim or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And as I already told you, in this video, I'm going to teach you how do you talk about the sports that you play, right? Before we begin with this video, I would request you to watch this video till the end. And in case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, mention your comments in the comment section below. And in case you're not following me over my Instagram page, which is Learn French by Suchita, go and follow me over there as well. Now let's just start with this video. This is the second part of our series. How do you talk about the sports that you play? How do you talk about the games that you play? How do you talk about the musical instruments? How do you talk about the activities that you do? In the first part of the series, I've already taught you how do you talk about the activities that you do. Now in today's video, that means in the second part, I'm going to teach you how do you talk about the sports that you play. What is the difference between an activity and a sport? Something which you do is an activity. Something which you play is a sport. Like you do swimming, so that's an activity. You play cricket, so that's a sport. That's what we are going to do today. How do you talk about the sports? Now for that, there is a simple formula that I've written over here. You're going to write the subject first. Whatever is the subject, whosoever is doing that action. I, you, he, she, whatever. Then you need to write conjugation of the verb jouer. What do you mean by jouer? Jouer, which means to play, right? It means to play. That's a regular ER verb. If you do not know what is the conjugation of the ER verbs, I'm going to mention the link of this video in the card above. You can watch that video, then come back here again. Now, conjugation of the verb jouer followed by the contracted articles with a. Now, what exactly are the contracted articles? For that, I have already uploaded the video on my YouTube channel. I'm going to mention the link of that video again in the card above. You can watch that video, then come back here again. The links of all these videos I'm also going to mention in the description box below. You can check them out. Now, these are the contracted articles with a. Talking about the first one, which is O. What is O? O is the combination of a plus le. So, something which is masculine singular, you'll use O. Ala is the combination of a plus la. O is the combination of a plus le, which is plural. So this we are going to use for plural, and this is a plus L apostrophe, which will give you a L apostrophe. So O, ala, O, a L apostrophe, right? And then you are going to write the name of the sport that you do, whatever, cricket, badminton, golf, anything, right? Here I have written one example for you. Sujet, which is je, conjugation of the verb jouer, je joue, then leave the space for this and then just write the name of the sport. The sport over here is cricket. So, je joue. Now, cricket is le or la or le or L apostrophe. Of course, that's masculine singular. So, you're going to use le. Corresponding is O. So, that will give you je joue au cricket. Now, there is a mistake what students do while writing such sentences. They'll write, I play cricket, because in English you say, I play cricket. So I observe the sentences like, je joue le cricket, which is incorrect. Now, we write these contracted articles, but these contracted articles do not mean anything over here. There is no translation for this. Je joue au cricket, but if you do not write this, then your sentence is going to be incorrect, right? So we say, je joue au cricket. So simply write the subject, followed by the conjugation of the verb jouer, followed by the corresponding contracted articles with a, right? And then you're going to write the name of the sport that you play. So, je joue au cricket. I play cricket. Alright, so here I've written certain other examples for you
of the sports that you play. Now this is very simple. I have not written over here the English equivalents. Why? Because this is very simple. Badminton, foot, volley, golf, basket, tennis. Okay, it's just like English. So badminton, football, volleyball, golf, basketball, tennis, hockey, right? All of them are very much similar to what we write in English. Followed by the corresponding contracted article with a and followed by the name of the sport that you play. Now, je joue au badminton. I play badminton. Je joue au badminton. Why au? Because badminton is masculine. Now, if you see, all of these sports are masculine. None of them is ending with E, right? All of them are masculine. So, in all the cases, I have written O. Alright? So, je joue au badminton. I play badminton. Tu joues au foot. You play football. Il joue au volley. He plays volleyball. Elle joue au golf. She plays golf. Nous jouons au basket. We play basketball. Vous jouez au tennis. You play tennis. Il joue au hockey. They play hockey. So, je joue au badminton. Tu joues au foot. Il joue au volley. Elle joue au golf. Nous jouons au basket. Vous jouez au tennis. Elle joue. Il joue au hockey. Now in all of them, see, we are writing the contracted article with a, but that doesn't mean anything. But if you don't write it, your sentence will be incorrect. You cannot write je joue le badminton. It would be je joue au badminton. Now just now I told you a formula how to talk about the sports that you play. First of all, you write your subject, followed by the conjugation of the verb jouer, which means to play, followed by the contracted articles with a, and followed by the name of the sport that you play, right? Here I am going to give you the second possibility of writing the same thing. You can write that also, but you can write, while you are talking about the sport, you can write by this way as well. Now, you can write the subject, you have to write the subject, followed by the conjugation of the verb faire. Of course, now faire, which means to do or to make. We don't do the sport, we play the sport. This is very well true. But then faire doesn't only mean to do and to make. Faire has multiple other meanings depending upon the context you are using it. So here also you can use the verb faire. It will not mean to do or to make, but it will take the meaning of to play over here. Followed by the partitive articles with de. So which is du, de la, de l'apostrophe, de. Du is actually the combination of de plus le. De la is de plus la. De is de plus le, les. So we use that for plural. And de l'apostrophe, which is de plus l'apostrophe. Then name of the sport. Now all of the sports that we did in the previous slide, we are going to convert them using the verb faire. But the meaning is going to remain the same. So now if you remember what we did, I play cricket. I told you je joue au cricket. You can use that as je. Conjugation of the verb faire, je fais. Then leave the space for this and the name of the sport is cricket. Now cricket is masculine. So you'll say du. Je fais du cricket, which does not mean I do cricket, which means I play cricket. But you have two possibilities of saying the same thing in case of the sports. You can also say je joue au cricket. You can also say je fais du cricket. They both mean the same thing, I play cricket. So as simple as that, the formula is, first of all, you're going to write the subject, followed by the conjugation of the verb faire, followed by du, de la, de l'apostrophe de, followed by name of the sport. Again I say, the previous formula which I gave you, that is also correct and this one is also correct. Now here I have written the same sports, but instead of the verb jouer, I have converted all of them using the verb faire. Both of them are equally correct. Now I play badminton. Je. So first of all, I have written all the subjects, followed by the conjugation of the verb faire. By the way, if you do not know what exactly is the conjugation of the verb faire, I am going to mention the link of this video in the card above. You can watch that video, then come back here again. So these are the conjugations of the verb faire, followed by the partitive article, followed by the sport that you play. They are all exactly same as English, like badminton, football, volleyball, right? Along, je fais du badminton. I play badminton. Je fais du badminton. Now all these are masculine, right? Badminton, foot, volley, golf, basket, tennis, okay. All of them are masculine because none of them is ending with E, right? Now these are all partitive articles with the. Now, since all of them are masculine, I have written du in all these cases, right? So, je fais du badminton. I play badminton. Tu fais du foot. You play football. Il fait du volley. He plays volleyball. Elle fait du golf. She plays golf. Nous faisons du basket. We play basketball. Vous faites du tennis. You play tennis. And finally, ils font du hockey. They play hockey. Now, these are some of the sports that we play. If you know any other sport, you can mention them in the comment section below. Of course, there are a lot of other sports. You can mention them in the comment section below using the verb faire or using the verb jouer. That's it for this video. In case you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and mention your comments in the comment section below. And I'll see you soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.